So, what the heck are we doing here, Lanny? Well, I thought we would take a look at my mother's hair under the microscope. Now that the rust that theoretically turned into black phosphate or phosphate off of our remove rust from a hatchet video. And yeah, I mostly just dumped out the gross juiciness. And I'm not going to use my fancy new slides I bought. I'm just going to stick it on this old slide. It's like a really old slide of a honeybee wing. But I thought we'd kind of do this off-brandy format to my normal microscope videos. Let's see if people prefer this over just me putting facts on the side of the screen. I get to look up cooler facts when I do it that way, but I thought we would be different. Oh yeah. And that this way I could kind of I guess you get to see that face. Everybody wants to see that face. But then you can kind of see my microscope setup as well. Not many microscopes have access to Wi-Fi and can watch Netflix, but mine can. I had an old HTC phone that broke on me, so I converted that into my microscope camera. Because I have this old microscope from like a school, I'm presuming. Yeah, I bought it at the Restore, the Habitat for Humanity store there. And the only thing about it is it didn't have an A piece. It didn't have an eye piece. I think it's for looking through. Oh. It was pretty funny, actually, because the lady at the Restore was like, "Oh, I don't know, it doesn't have an eyepiece. I feel bad selling it to you." I'm like, "No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay." Because, like, I've always wanted a microscope. It's just, like, one of those things. Some little girls want ponies, but I wanted a microscope. But, yeah, I quite like this thing. That was always my favorite class, was science and stuff. So, but this one's a little DIY. At first, I had a crappy webcam, and then I put this one on there last year, and I haven't really used it too much. I haven't released any of the new footage I took with it, anyways. To say, because I'm a slacking slacker. I got the yeast footage all ready to go, but I've never edited it. So I thought we'd take a look at this phosphate that's inside of here. And yeah, so should be fun, should be easy, should be breezy. And yeah, we're just gonna plop it on there. What do you want? Got Troy helping, of course. You cannot science unless you have a cat. Yes, see? Alright, so as you can see, I just kind of got this sample on there. Ignore the dust. I just cleaned it all, I swear. Like, literally every inch of this thing. Say hi to the people, Troy. And yeah, so touchscreen to activate. Alright. So, yeah, I decided to build this because it really hurts to lean over into one of these bloody things anyway, so now I can just record and take pictures. Cats plus science equal greatness. Ignore the mess from the other experiment we did the other day. But yeah, I'll take a couple pictures here, and then you'll get a better idea. We can zoom in a bit. I don't like to zoom in too much because it's digital zoom anyway, so we can do that on the computer, right? Focus. But yeah. And then, of course, we also have the option of looking at us. Hi, everybody. Hi, Dr. Lanny. Well, I'm not a doctor, though. Not a doctor. But yeah, and then, yeah, we can record video as well. So now we'll just throw it in record mode. So we get every... Oh, we're not even looking at it. What are we looking at? Not it. There we go. The heck were we looking at? Uh-huh. Well, we gotta get that thinner, I guess. Whew. Yes, now we have a much thinner specimen. We are ready to try again, right, Mr. Kitty? Yes, that's right. Alright. Get ready for this. Ah, yes. Yes. It's very conducive to what we would expect from this kind of a specimen. I don't know what we're looking at. I'm gonna hit up our good friend Steve. Maybe he'll be able to tell us more in the comments about it, but yeah, it's pretty pretty anyways. It's pretty rust. It's pretty rust. It's very trippy though.